Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. And the weather in our part of the country is very easy because we've got this gorgeous big high that is right overhead, and that's going to carry us through Sunday and into Monday. What a beautiful day we've had today with lots of sunshine, low humidity, and from southern New England all the way down into the mid-Atlantic states. And we really don't see much of a change here. The high is going to hold on tomorrow, and then it moves out to the east for Sunday night and Monday, and our winds are going to turn a little bit more from the ocean direction. But initially, at least, the humidity is not going to go up very much. It might creep up a little bit on Monday, Labor Day, but it'll still be nice. Tomorrow's going to be another beauty of a day. Lots of sunshine, temperatures in the 70s to near 80, maybe lower 80s as you head down southern Pennsylvania into Virginia. And though that temperature range will hold on Monday because of the high out to the east. Now, you'll see there's a front that's approaching. It never gets here. Those showers and storms Monday night that are in western New York and western Pennsylvania, they completely fall apart. But let me call your attention to what's going on in the Rockies. This is really unusual. Denver today is topping out close to 100. They'll be close to 100 degrees tomorrow and close to 90 on Monday. By Tuesday night, they're going to be in the 20s and they're going to see snow. Can you imagine that, how that feels on your body to go from 100 degrees to the 20s and 30s? And this will be one of the earliest snowfalls on record for that part of the U.S. But deep trough is dropping into the west. You see that low in Colorado. Look at that snow that forms in Wyoming, in Montana, through Wyoming, down into Colorado, and even getting into parts of Kansas, western Oklahoma, and just touching northwest Texas. It's 2020, so why wouldn't it snow this early? Let's look at the snowfall probabilities here out in the west. Again, for snow lovers, this is always exciting. But you can see the snowfall probabilities in the lightest blue and in the brownish color. That's a 70 to 80% chance of at least 2 inches of snow. This is into Tuesday morning. And if we jump one more forecast period, which is Tuesday into Wednesday, that's all in central Colorado, a 50 to almost 90% chance of at least an inch of snow that's going to fall. There are going to be some places here that are going to wind up with many inches before it's all said and done. In fact, on the snowfall forecast map, which only goes out to Tuesday morning, you can see here in Wyoming, most of the state getting a couple of inches, and of course, the higher elevations are going to wind up with close to a foot. So that is going on. And in the meantime, we also want to just take a look at the tropics here. We have two tropical waves, one moving off the African coast in a day or two. The other one is already off. And both have a very high probability of becoming a tropical depression or a tropical storm over the next 5 days. And we're going to be monitoring this because it looks like that at least for a while, both those systems are going to want to move westward, and we'll see what happens down the road. I don't think we're going to get any clues from weather models here regarding the outcome of these two tropical waves, but I tend to think that both of them will wind up becoming tropical storms. In the meantime, for next week, here in the east, because of the deep upper trough that's in the west, we're not going to see very much rain. It will start to turn more humid and a little warmer starting Tuesday and carrying us through Friday. The odd chance that there could be an isolated shower or thunderstorm. You can see how the model kind of generates a little bit here on Thursday in Pennsylvania down into Virginia. And then maybe on Friday you get one to pop up. But we may have to wait till sometime later next weekend, maybe next Saturday, for the next important cold front to come on through. And after that, we'll turn drier and cooler. So it's a fairly easy forecast. The upper air pattern is rather dynamic out to our west. And just to show you, you have this deep upper trough that's dropping down into the plains. And while that is happening, you watch what's going on here in the east. We have a big upper high off the east coast that is building westward all the way back to the Great Lakes. So as long as that upper high holds, we can't really get any rain of importance. So we have to wait for that to maybe weaken a little bit late next week and into next weekend. And then finally, we'll swing something through here for a weather change maybe next weekend. So bottom line is, enjoy this beautiful holiday weekend we have of blue skies and sunshine. And tomorrow at 11 a.m., the Joe and Joe Weather Show, our regular Sunday morning show on my YouTube channel, Joe Cioffi. So be sure to tune in for that.